Alright. So, magbigay po tayo ng panibagong example about differential calculus. So, applyan po natin ang reciprocal rules. Okay? So, bago po ang lahat, kailangan po nating alamin kung ano po ba yung formula ng reciprocal rule. So, derivative of 1 over u raised to n is equal to negative n over u raised to n plus 1 times derivative of u over dx. So, ito po yung magiging formula natin. Alright? Okay, so magbigay na po tayo ng example problem. Number 1, what is the derivative of 1 over x raised to 5 with respect to dx? Okay? So, ang formula gagamitin natin. So, negative 5 over x raised to 5 plus 1 is 6. So, meron na po agad tayong sagot. So, number 2 po tayo. Derivative of 1 over 1 plus 5e raised to negative 3x. Okay? So, yung ating numerator, gawin nating 10. Kaya, para meron tayong constant na 10. Okay? So, magkakaroon po tayo ng sagot na sulat muna natin yung ating 10 na constant. Ano yung ating exponent dito sa ating 1 plus 5e raised to negative 3x? So, exponent po niya ay 1. So, isulat natin dito ay 1, pero gagawin natin negative. Okay? Tapos, i-rewrite natin yung ilalim. 1 plus 5e raised to negative 3x squared. Okay, bakit nag-squared? Kasi exponent niya ay 1 plus 1 magiging 2 times derivative ng ating denominator. 1 plus 5e raised to negative 3x. Ang derivative ng 1 ay 0. Ang derivative ng 5e raised to negative 3x ay 5e raised to negative 3x times derivative ng exponent negative 3x, which is negative 3. Okay? So, magkakaroon na po tayo ng sagot. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15 times negative 1, 15 times 10, 150. So, baka malimutan yung e raised to negative 3x. Nalimutang isulat. All over 1 plus 5e raised to negative 3x squared. Alright? So, number 3 tayo. Derivative of 1 over 1 plus cosine x. Alright? So, anong magiging derivative po nito? So, isulat uli natin. Anong ating exponent sa ilalim? Negative 1. So, 1 lang ang exponent. Over, copy natin yung ilalim, 1 plus cosine x. And then, add tayo ng isa sa exponent, 1 plus cosine x squared. Times, ano yung derivative ng ating denominator? Negative sine x. So, this is equal to sine x all over 1 plus cosine x squared. So, meron na agad tayong sagot. Napakabilis ng ating pagsasagot. Ano? Hindi na natin kailangang paikot-ikutin pa yung ating mga denominator. Pagka kasi magpa-power rule tayo, dadalhin pa natin sa itaas, magkakaroon ng negative exponent, then saka po tayo magpa-power rule. Okay? So, pagdating dito, ay hindi na. Apply mo na lang yung formula. Okay, number 4, example. Derivative of 1 over 3x squared minus 8x plus 9 raised to 4. Okay? So, yan yung ating i-derivative. So, this is equal to, ano yung exponent sa ilalim? 4. So, ilagay natin yan sa taas. Pero gawin natin negative. Okay? And then, 3x squared minus 8x plus 9 raised to 4 plus 1, 5. And then, ano yung derivative naman ng ating denominator? So, 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8. Ang mali. 2 times 3, 6. 6x minus 8. Okay? Ayan. So, magiging equal siya sa negative 4 times 6, negative 24, x plus, kasi negative 4 times negative 8 is magiging positive 32 over 3x squared minus 8x plus 9 raised to 5. Okay? So, ito na po yung ating magiging sagot. So, number 5 tayo. Derivative of 1 over square root of 5x squared minus 4x minus 5. Alright? So, pwede natin siyang isulat ng ganito. 1 over 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 raised to 1 half. Squared to Okay? So, this is equal to, sulat natin yung ating exponent, 1 half, pero gawin nating negative. Then, i-copy natin yung ilalim, 5x squared minus 4x minus 5. And then, yung 1 half natin sa ilalim, magpa-plus 1 tayo. So, 1 half plus 1 is 3 over 2. Okay? Times, ano yung derivative natin dun sa ating denominator? Sa ating 5x squared minus 4x minus 5. So, magiging derivative natin dyan ay 2 times 5, 10x minus 4. So, this is equal to negative 1 half times 10, negative 5x. Negative 1 half times negative 4, magiging plus 2. All over 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 raised to 3 over 2. Or kung gusto mo nang may radical sign, pwede rin naman negative 5x plus 2 all over square root ni 5x squared minus 4x minus 5 raised to 3. So, yan na po yung magiging sagot natin. So, ganyan lang po kadali ang paggamit ng reciprocal rule. Okay? Thank you so much.